Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make frothy coffee. To begin, always use cold milk, ideally whole milk, for the richest foam. You can use a handheld frothing wand or a French press for this process. The key is to heat the milk to an optimal temperature of about 150 degrees Fahrenheit, but never boiling. This method ensures a creamy, stable foam that elevates your coffee experience. When using a frothing wand, first submerge the tip just beneath the milk surface. Angle it slightly to create a gentle vortex, which helps incorporate air evenly. Slowly move the wand up and down, keeping the tip near the surface to introduce air. Continue this for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until the milk has roughly doubled in volume and has a smooth, glossy texture. For French press frothing, first warm your milk to about 150 degrees Fahrenheit using a microwave or stovetop. Pour the warm milk into the French press, filling it no more than 1/3 full. Vigorously pump the plunger up and down for about 30 to 45 seconds. You'll see the milk transform into a rich, airy foam. Gently tap the carafe on a counter to eliminate any large bubbles. Once your foam is ready, pour your freshly brewed coffee into your favorite mug. As you pour the frothed milk, use a spoon to hold back the thicker foam initially, allowing the liquid milk to mix with the coffee. Then, spoon the rich, creamy foam directly on top. This creates a beautiful layered effect, perfect for lattes or cappuccinos. Enjoy your expertly frothed coffee.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.